So we're going to begin by creating a simple assembly in SOLIDWORKS 2020. Here you can see I'm going to start on the top plane and create the perimeter for a simple box, a lid, the assembly, and a drawing. Now while I'm building that simple assembly in the lower left, I want to talk to you about the idea of the Z-up orientation that we work with by default in 3DEXPERIENCE. When you're working in SOLIDWORKS, the default orientation is Y-up, and you often begin sketching on the top plane. Now, one of the cooler things about 3DEXPERIENCE and the plugin for SOLIDWORKS to do data management in the cloud is that 3DEXPERIENCE will automatically adjust this orientation. Let's take a look at this example in the upper right. As we can see, this model was created with a sketch on the top plane and extruded up in the Y direction. We've got Y facing up. Well, I'm now going to open a web browser and double click on this file to view it in 3D Play. And 3DEXPERIENCE is smart enough to recognize that this is a SOLIDWORKS file and therefore the Y orientation should be up. Similarly, if I take this SOLIDWORKS file and I open it in XDesign, the default orientation is automatically changed to Y up because this part came from SOLIDWORKS. So by default, 3DEXPERIENCE will utilize a Z up orientation and SOLIDWORKS will utilize a Y up orientation. But it's no problem because 3DEXPERIENCE will automatically adjust the orientation to Y up whenever you're viewing those SOLIDWORKS files that you've created and added to 3DEXPERIENCE using data management in the cloud. We've now finished our two parts, our assembly and our drawing. Here you can see that we've saved these files in our old SOLIDWORKS storage on the S drive. So we're now ready to add these files to 3DEXPERIENCE using data management in the cloud. We're going to turn on the add-in for data management in the cloud, which is found down towards the bottom of our add-ins. As of Q4 2020, the name of this add-in is PLM Services, but you'll often hear me refer to it as Data Management in the Cloud or the SOLIDWORKS plugin. Since we don't see the add-in for Data Management in the Cloud listed here, we need to perform a new installation of the plugin. And I'm going to show you how to do that in the next video.